All right. Oh, we're just having so much fun with diminished chords. And you guys discovered that this ending to Somewhere Over the Rainbow, why, oh, why can't we wanted to move up? We absolutely did. And I don't want to because I want to bring it back so that eventually we can learn this lick. Which we're going to talk about next week. So I wanted to bring it back, and I asked myself, wow, how can I do that? So I was taking the idea of these diminished chords because they're movable and cool. I'm focusing in on my index finger. This is how I do it. You may come up with a better way for you. But I know that I'm going to skip 2 frets, and so that my index finger is going to land in the 3rd fret and take the rest of the form with it. So the index finger is like the lead finger, like the anchor finger. So let's try that. Index finger is on the 6th fret. Slide it to the 3rd fret. Now, let's slide it to the open string G diminished form, which is just a D, looks like a D7 on the C and the A strings. Are you hearing this? So it's going, whoops. So the ending will sound like this. Why, oh, why can't? And we're being artists, we're milking it. And then we can actually do this. Lots of options. All right.